The world's oceans transform into a dazzling spectacle at night, glowing vividly thanks to countless tiny bioluminescent organisms lighting up the deep. These remarkable creatures, like plankton and jellyfish, emit a captivating blue-green light that turns the water's surface into a shimmering galaxy. This natural phenomenon, known as bioluminescence, is a survival mechanism. Some use it to lure prey, others to deter predators. Imagine walking along a beach and seeing the waves glow with every crash, or a boat slicing through the water leaving a sparkling trail behind. It's a magical sight, making the ocean appear as though it's full of stars. Scientists are still unraveling the mysteries behind these glowing wonders, but what we do know is that they create one of the planet's most enchanting natural light shows, a spectacle that transforms our view of the ocean from day to night.